Hi friends, welcome to Talent Sprint's Banker's Choice program. Today in this session, we are going to discuss questions related to coding and decoding. This is a popular topic from where you get nearly 3 to 4 questions. Let us discuss the question which is based on the positions of letters in the alphabets. The given question is, how many such pairs of letters are there in the word start, each of which has as many letters between them in the word as in the English alphabet? That is, we are concerned with number of letters. First, let us understand the question properly. Let us take up the word rate. If you see the letters A and R, in between A and R in the alphabets we have many letters, but here we have none. So this is not a pair. If you take up R and T, in between R and T in alphabet we have only one letter. Here also we have only one letter, as we are concerned with only number of letters in between the given letters. This is one pair. Now coming to R and E. R and E is not a pair. So this is the basic concept behind the question. This question can be solved in a simpler way by assigning position of the letters in alphabet. To make it simpler, we made a table for this, assigning the position of the letters. If you want to remember it easily, what you need to do is remember E, J, T. The positions of each of them are E is 5, J is 10, O 15, T 20, Y 25. Once you remember this, position of any alphabet can be remembered easily. Now let us solve this question by assigning position of the letters. Here you can see the 19 should be compared with 20, whereas the remaining don't need to be compared. So 19 and 20 is one pair. Then 20 needs to be compared with next 18. So T and R is a pair. This is the second pair. Next, coming to 1, we don't find anything near to 1 here, and R and T are also not to be compared. So there are total 2 pairs. Friends, now you have learned a simple way of solving the questions which appear to be difficult. See you in the next session. Thank you.
Hi friends, welcome to Talent Sprint's Banker's Choice program. In this session, we are going to discuss another very important concept which is helpful in solving questions related to circular arrangements. Let us look at that. In case of circular arrangements, the first person can be placed anywhere on the circle. That is, the position of the person from the end is not required. In case of a group of persons facing center, if A is second to the left of B, but or and or while third to the right of C, then we can place ABC as follows. From the first part of the sentence, that is A is second to the left of B, let us assume that B occupies this position. Now as A is towards the left of B and the persons are facing center, A should be in clockwise direction. So A will be taking first and second, that is this place. Now from the second part of the sentence, but third to the right of C. In such cases, when but and or while is used, the person referred is A again. So I can say that A is third to the right of C. As A is already placed and he is towards right, I can say that A should be in anti-clockwise direction because the persons are facing center. So C can be placed 3 positions away from A, that is 1, 2 and 3. Similarly, in case of persons facing center, if the statement is A is second to the left of B, who is third to the right of C, the persons A, B, C can be placed as follows. As A is second to the left of B and the persons are facing center, let us assume that B takes this place and A will come again in this position as he is towards the clockwise direction of B. Now, in statements where the word who is used, the person referred is the immediate before person, that is B. So I can say that B is third to the right of C. As B is already placed and he is towards right, we know that B should be in anti-clockwise direction. That means now C can be placed 3 places away from B. So 1, 2 and 3. So friends, as you have seen, this is how we can place the persons depending on the statements given in the question. See you in the next session with some questions related to circular arrangements. Thank you.